Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my first impressions video on Windows 10 Tech Preview. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So, before I got Windows 10 on my laptop, I was watching YouTube videos, to kind of see how things work as far as installation, how things work as far as performance. And I noticed that some of the tech reviews that I was watching, it showed that it had a lot of bugs on their hardware. So I'm like, that's weird. You would expect that from a tech preview, but it's not finished software at all. It's just prototype software for what's actually coming in several months. But for right out the back, things are just acting crazy. Now, did I have those same bugs? Did I experience the start button acting crazy? Did I experience any type of bugs in my experience? The answer is no. I haven't experienced any bugs so far installing Windows 10 or even playing around with Windows 10. Nothing has really kind of gave me issues. So let's go ahead and kind of get started with this real quick. So the very first thing I want to do is just go ahead and knock it out the way for people who actually like the start screen. I'm going to go ahead and change that option. So if you really want the start screen back, what you're going to do is hover over the taskbar, right click, go to properties, go to start menu, and uncheck the first box there. Come down here, apply the settings. It's going to ask you to sign out and change the settings. So let's find the cursor, if I can find it. There we go. So we're going to go ahead and sign out. And sign back in. And then this time it should take me to the start screen. It should. I don't know if it will or not though. Yes, there we go. Sorry for the shaking too. So yeah, here we are. Here is this very familiar Windows 8 Metro interface. The start screen. Alright, so anytime you actually press that start button down here, it'll just take you back to the start screen. Okay, and then it'll just, I think all the hotkeys and stuff get activated too. Doing that. So let's go over here and see. I thought so, but I guess not. But yeah, and then on the keyboard itself, the Windows key, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it'll just take you back to the start screen. And then once you choose to use the start screen over the start menu, you can really see that at the core, this is Windows 8. Okay, when you really look at Windows 10, that's all it is. It's Windows 8, but with a start menu. That's all Windows 10 is. It's Windows 8 with some different features, and they're not calling it Windows 8. But it's Windows. To me, that's what this operating system comes off to me as. It comes off as Windows 8, but with more features. Okay. So let's go ahead and go back to the start menu. Right click on the taskbar, go to start menu, uncheck that or check that box, click apply, and you want it to re-sign out and change the settings again. so it just boots you back to desktop. And now once you click on that start button, it'll just take you to the start menu, just like this. Now let's go down here to the search button down here. Here's how it looks. Now if you want to search, I can just search PlayStation 4. So I'm just going to type in PlayStation, and it'll even recognize what I'm trying to type too. So PlayStation. Come down here, PlayStation 4. It's going to take me to a Bing search page here, and go to web and images. And as you can see, this is what you'll get with the search tool. And then if I go back to the web and pull up some type of web information, this is what I get. Okay. Alright, another neat feature is being able to snap apps and stuff while you're using them. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open up the web browser here. Open that up in private mode. And you see here the browser opens up quite fast. Now if I want to go to the start menu, and open up some apps, so go over here and open up drawing tutorial. Open up one more app here. Open up PlayStation 4 News. Okay, so let's go ahead and snap a game or snap a window. So here's the PlayStation 4 News app, and you can see here it automatically gives me a suggestion as to what apps can be snapped like what. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the browser. And this is how the web browser will look alongside the PlayStation 4 News app. Now if I go to Mail, snap that back out, I can choose to snap back any type of way. So if I bring that down, I can snap it along with that. I can also throw in tutorials. That along, so it's not working like I really saw it in other reviews, but that's how you pretty much do it. And if you want full screen those apps, you can do it just by simply doing that. And then your basic window controls there, like you've been used to in Windows 7 and Vista and 95 and all those other different types of operating systems. So let's go ahead and load up a page. Let's see how what performance is in Windows 10. So I'm going to go to Yahoo. Forgive me for my shaking, y'all. I got terrible hand. I got a very bad shaking problem, especially when it comes to doing something with a camera. But you saw Yahoo loaded up instantly. So this is web performance on Windows 10. Okay. And I think the biggest feature too, besides the start menu, is also being able to take these modern UI apps and be able to run them in conjunction with desktop apps. That's probably another big feature about Windows 10 is that functionality right there. So now the task switcher down here, as you can see, this is how it looks. Okay, and it looks really nice. It really does. And this is probably going to be a lot more easier for people with touch interfaces. But I mean, it lines up all of your apps in big old window. I mean, sizable windows too. And that's probably the best part about it. You can just kind of switch back between them, just like that. I think that's probably one of the neatest little features right there. Okay. So, this is my first impressions video. And like I said in the beginning of the video, I have not experienced any bugs with my computer running Windows 10 Tech Preview, unlike most of the other people that I've seen install this on YouTube. So maybe it's just hardware, maybe it really all depends on your computer and what condition it's in as far as software and hardware. But I will come back 30 days from now to do a follow-up review on Windows 10 Tech Preview to see how it performs after 30 days, and maybe even see if there are any new features by then. So I hope y'all enjoyed this initial impressions video. I want y'all to please comment, rate, and subscribe, as I will be doing a lot more coverage on Windows 10 Tech Preview. Like I said, I will come back 30 days from now to do another follow-up on the operating system, and I'm going to do this in sequence. So after that, I'm going to do a 5-month follow-up, and then I'll wait until the final release come out. So after I do that 5-month follow-up, I'm going to wait until Windows 10 come out officially, and then I'll show you how to install it. So I will be doing a lot of coverage on it. I'm going to try to get some screenshots up too in this particular video. So I hope y'all enjoyed this initial impressions video, and I'll see you all next time.